Hey everyone, welcome back. If you've ever wondered how to create a stunning footer in Wix that really boosts your website's professional look, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to walk you through building a custom footer from scratch, step by step, right inside the Wix Studio Editor. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to design a footer that's clean, functional, and makes your website pop with credibility and style. Let's dive in. So first things first, go ahead and open up your Wix Studio Editor. You'll notice at the bottom of your page, there's usually a blank area labeled Footer. This is the canvas we'll be working on. The footer is the foundational element that appears across all your pages. So it's super important to get it right because it's often the last thing visitors see before leaving your site. Think of it like a welcome mat at the entrance of a great shop. You want it clean, inviting, and memorable. Now, Wix makes things easy with a variety of pre-made footer templates. If you ever want to start there, just head over to the Add Element button, search for Footer, and you'll see lots of stylish options you can drag and drop into place. But for this tutorial, we're going full custom so you can learn how to make it truly yours. Let's start by clicking directly on that blank footer area. You'll see an inspector pane pop up on the right. This is your control center for making changes. Here's where the magic happens. We'll add some visual interest first, so click Media and select Add an Image. This could be anything. Maybe a subtle, textured background, a branded stripe, or even a scenic photo that matches your brand's vibe. Why add an image? Because it instantly elevates your footer from plain to polished and creates a backdrop for your text and icons. Just make sure it isn't too busy, or it might distract from the important info you'll put on top. Next, let's make sure your text stands out against that new background. Go back to Add Elements and pop some text, like your business name, contact info, or a quick tagline right on top. Here's a pro tip. Adjust the colors so your text really contrasts with your background image. For example, dark text pops against a light image, and vice versa. The goal is readability. You want your visitors to find what they need at a glance. A footer isn't complete without a few interactive touches. Social media links are a must these days, so add a social bar element. This is a row of icons for platforms like Facebook, Instagram, or LinkedIn that visitors can click to connect with you elsewhere online. Position it somewhere that feels natural, usually at the bottom or along the side. Not only does this make your footer look modern, it's a great way to grow your online presence and build trust with your visitors. Depending on your brand, you might want to add a logo as well. Just add an image again, then drag in your brand logo to one corner or anchor it right in the center. This ties your whole site together and reinforces your branding every time someone scrolls down. And if you need a quick slogan, copyright notice, or even a newsletter sign-up, just pop in a text element. You've got full creative control here. And that's pretty much it for this demo. Don't worry if it takes a few moments to get the layout just right. It's all about experimenting, moving things around, and seeing what looks best to you. The footer seems simple, but it can do a lot for the overall feel and trustworthiness of your site. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and feel free to drop any questions or tips in the comments. I love hearing your ideas. And for more hands-on Wix tutorials just like this, make sure to hit subscribe so you never miss a video. Thanks so much for watching and happy building!